Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's Tuesday, August 14th, and yesterday I noticed some color on this Black Madeira cutting that I started from last year. Let's see here, I didn't put the date, June 27th, 17. I think that's when I put it in this pot here. And it's probably changing because it's root bound. But this is the first Black Madeira that's starting to change color. See the relative size there. So we'll see how long it takes for this to get to the ripe stage. Okay, so today is now Thursday, August 16th, and I noticed there's now fig honey coming out of the eye on this Black Madeira fig. The first Black Madeira fig to start ripening. I don't think the more mature trees are even close to starting to swell up. It's a good thing this is on the inside of the lean-to because we've just had a lot of rain. So yeah, and it's been very hot and humid. It's supposed to dry up, I think, in the latter half of the weekend going into Monday. The humidity is supposed to start dropping and the temperatures are going to get a little cooler. But yeah, even the Ishia blacks that I have inside the lean-to have just been soaking up the humidity, and the figs have been splitting. Alright, so today's Sunday, August 19th, and this Black Madeira looks like it's ripe, ready to be picked. It's pretty soft around the neck, even though it's got some green still there. Yeah, that came off pretty good. So the first ripe Black Madeira. Got one of those sugar ants, but it can't get in the eye there because it's blocked. All right, let's get this open. Take a look inside of the first Black Madeira of the season. Oh wow, it's not as red, but look at all the syrup in there. Holy cow. Alright, so I took it outside to get better sun, but I forgot to weigh it. Let's weigh this. Alright, so it's 40 grams. Alright, let's get a nice close-up. Alright, let's give this one a try. Look at all the syrup in there. Wow. Wow. Yep. Makes you think you should just grow Black Madeira. But pretty incredible. It's just so syrupy and sweet. But the Acacia Black, though, does have that sort of nuttier, figgy flavor. This is just, it's sweet and unique. There's no crunch, not much texture. Of course, if I maybe let this dry a little bit, the skin would toughen up. But yeah, that's just a great flavor all around. Now here's that overly ripe Acacia Black. Looks like it has some mold starting to grow there, so I might give it a moldy aftertaste. But open this one up, it's a lot drier, but you can see around the eye there it was dehydrating, becoming more jam-like. This is just very jammy. Let's give this a try. Mold and all. Penicillin. That was good. Don't even taste any mold. It's just initially starting, I guess. But that was good. Makes me want to pick the other one that has the green neck on it, but I think I'll leave it on still. That Acacia Black has more of a crunch to it. It was drier, but it still had a good level of sweetness to it. But for now, this is the first Black Madeira. I've said this before, never disappoints. Only ones that would disappoint are the late ripening, where we've gotten into September, October, and they just aren't going to ripen anymore. And they don't have any sweetness. I wonder if this one ripened early because if it was maybe under stress, being in the smaller pot that I never got around to up potting. But that's a great fig. So this is New England Gardening with the first Black Madeira. It's so good that it's attracting the yellow jacket. Is he in the camera there? Yep, see? They know a good thing when they see it or smell it. Thanks for watching.